Hello, my name is Jeff Rye. I head up the fabrication department here at Simtech, and I'm also a DVS certified hot air welding instructor. So Simtech, along with Process Supply and myself, will be on hand in Loudon, Tennessee, conducting welding training seminars. The seminars will consist of a little bit of the theory behind thermoplastics, but a majority of it will be hands-on training. Now, our Fume exhaust system, in its simplicity, is a 100% effective yet very easily learned technique. The process that we're going to be using is called draw welding. Very simply put, the welding gun will heat up our base material through here while simultaneously heating up the welding rod through here. The pieces are then joined together by the operator, which I'll be happy to demonstrate for you right now. All of the pipe that arrives on site will be individually bagged. Also, the pipe and the fittings will have rigid plastic inserts installed in each end to prevent any damage that may occur on site. The pipe can be cut in several different ways. Measure and mark to length and use either a standard jigsaw, a reciprocating saw, or the Weldtech chain-driven circular saw, pictured here. Our product Fume exhaust system consists of pipe and socket fittings. In this case, we're going to be using a 12-inch coupling installed on the piece of 12-inch pipe. The fitting slips easily over the end of the pipe and firmly tapped in place either by hand or with a handy mallet until fully seated. On this project, the 16, 20, and 24-inch typical recommendation is 3 passes around, not a single pass. An alternative, which is common and has been agreed upon for the project, would be a single pass with an extrusion welder on all joints 16 inches or larger. For the sake of time today, I will demonstrate a single pass with the hot air welder. A 3-minute extrusion weld video and a link for the appropriate weld times are available on our website. So in order for thermoplastics to be welded together, the material needs to be in a thermoplastic state. To reach that state, we need to introduce heat. We have here a portable triac hot air welder. The heat will pass through this tube and come out the bottom to heat the base material while simultaneously heating the welding rod as we go. And when done properly, a good penetrating fusion will occur. Now, the welding tool itself operates at approximately 300 degrees Celsius, and a 12-inch weld such as this is going to take approximately 3 minutes to do. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this on and we'll get started. And there you have it. With a small amount of practice and a little bit of training, we'll have you welding like a pro.